Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging that I'm going to share with everyone, and this came to me from Fansells, and I just want to say thank you to Fansells for allowing me to do these product reviews for y'all. I know that I enjoy watching videos so that I can see, you know, what others choose from some of these companies. That way you get a, you know, you're able to see, you know, what kind of quality of some of these items. So, woo, that was my address. Okay, so I am just going to flip this around. And I'm just going to pull everything out, get rid of this bubble bag, and I do like the fact that they do send this in these bubble mailers. So that is really nice. And this bag was very long, and they actually had it folded up and taped, which I do appreciate that, because when you get a longer canvas and they try to shove it into a small bag, they get bent. So I appreciate them, you know, putting that in a larger bag. So the first one that we're going to open, now if you've been following me, you know I have picked the series of these up here lately because I just thought they were pretty. But this is called Elegant Beauty. And this is a little 30 by 30. If I can get this open. Never fails. I always have issues trying to open these things. So, like I said, this is a series of little parcels. And this does come with your standard toolkit, which is your green boat, your little square of pink wax, and then you've got a single placer pen. They are poured glue, so this is not going to bother it with me doing this. So this one is called, like I said, Elegant Beauty, but this is the pink lady. And I think I have all of them now, because there was a blue one, a green one, a red one, and now I have got the pink one. So there is the canvas number right there on top. It does have 12 colors in it. Very clear. And again, this is a partial, so none of this background is sticky. It's only sticky where you see that it has the places to drill at. And we'll open these up real quick and go through them real quick. Now, Fansells is having a summer sale right now, and it is buy 3 get 1 free. So I don't know when the sale ends, but look at all the pearls. And then you've got the little pink, I think those are marquees, and then the red pearls, and then we kind of go into some pink, different size crystals, and some red. Alright, so there's those. Now, this was $4. So that's not bad. So there is Elegant Beauty. And then another one that I got. This is a 30 by 40. This is also a partial. Standard toolkit, same as the other one. And this is Jellyfish. So it looks like we have got 8, 9, 10, 11. There's going to be 12 colors in this kit. So I really like this one. And it is sort of like the pearl paintings. Matter of fact, it's called Pearl Jellyfish. But it does have crystals in it. So we've got some silver and some orange. And then we go into all the different size pearls. There's some blue pearls. And then we've got some blue, orange, pink crystals. And some pink specials there. So I am loving these pearl paintings. I'm telling y'all. You know, I've been doing this for a long time, and I have done, I don't know how many special shapes, partials over the years, and I've not ever really noticed any that had like full pearl paintings until here in the last, I don't know, few months. But I've gotten a couple of them, and I've really enjoyed doing them. But you've got all this around. And then you've got the 2 jellyfish. You've got the shells and the coral. You've got a couple of fish. You don't have to paint those, but you do have some. Very sticky. And this one is $4.69 on Fansells. So there's that one. Now this one, I just thought this was adorable and had to get it. Now this one is called Love Dogs. Or no, Love Cats and Dogs. Although I don't think there is a cat on it, but it does say cats and dogs. Standard toolkit. Poured glue. Now this is a little 30 by 30. Yeah, I don't see a cat on it, just the dog. But I love these colors, this pastel type looking colors. I thought it was really pretty. And this will work up really quick. And you could use this for so many different paint-alongs or events. You know, animals or floral, hearts, words, you know, love, dogs. Yeah. So there's 17 colors, and we have got a schematic on the top left, bottom right. It is listed with the DMC numbers. And it looks like it is 1 through 8, and then the rest are letters. It's very clear. Those colors are so pretty. And I'm not going to take these out because they're just regular drills. But look at those purples. Oh my goodness. I'm going to love doing this one. Love it. Now, this one was also $4. So that's not bad. Alright, so this next one. Okay, so this one comes in a box. And they have started doing this with some of their canvases, putting them in the boxes, which is a really good touch. I really like it because it keeps them from being squished and damaged. So if you've been following me, you know that I have been getting these floral canvases here lately. And my plans are to work them up and then frame them and put them like in my living room or something. Standard toolkit. And this is poured glue, so we're going to roll it backwards. But I thought I had messed up and ordered the same one, but then I went to look and I did not. So now I think I have all 4 or 5 of these. But this is a 30 by 45. There's your number. It has 30 colors, 1 through 8. Then we have the letters, and then just a couple symbols down here at the bottom. DMC numbers. But are these not so clear and pretty? Yeah. And then look at all the colors that's coming with it. And these are the small bags. So I'm not going to pull these out either. But you can see we've got all kinds of the orange and the, well, 2 different colors of orange. We've got several different greens and blues. Very pretty. This is going to be gorgeous once it's completed. Now, this was just called Flower, and it was only $5.36, y'all. Can you imagine? I love Fansells. I think they have got the best prices of all of the companies. I really, really love Fansells. And I have never, out of all the years that I have purchased from them, done PRs for them, I have never, ever, ever had an issue with Fansells at all. Not with their products and not with the company. Nothing. So, now this is the last one that I got. And again, it is poured glue also. So we are going to roll it back in order to straighten it up just a tad. Now this is called Small Animal, and it is a 60 by 30. But y'all, this is not adorable. Look at these 2 ducks and a fish and a frog. That frog is like jumping for its life because that duck is going to get it. And then that fish is looking at that duck going, oh my God, I got to get out of here. But I just thought this was absolutely adorable. And it has got 24 colors. DMC is listed. We have got all letters that are all mixed up. There's the item number. And you can see it is very clear. Very clear. Very sticky. And this one was $6.70. Standard toolkit. And again, it is coming with these small bags. But you can see all the greens and white and yellow. Some browns, pinks, orange. So yeah, very nice. And these are all rounds. So what do y'all think? Which one is your favorite? I love them. I absolutely love this set that I got this time. It's like all over the board. We have got ducks and dogs and flowers and jellyfish and ladies. So yeah, it's just a mixed bunch. But again, I want to say thank you to Fansells for sending these to me. I love them. And I am probably going to do this jellyfish. And then maybe the lady. Or maybe the lady and the jellyfish. And then I want to do this one. And then, once I get all my whips completed, I'm going to start on these flowers. Because I would like to get those done within, you know, a decent amount of time frame before the end of summer anyway. So, alright, so don't forget, Fansells is having their summer sale, which is buy 3, get 1 free. I will leave a link to all of these in my description box, along with, if you scroll down in my description box, there will be a list of all codes. That way you can get a discount code, or get you a discount on your purchase if you use my code. I don't make anything from it. I don't make no commissions or nothing. It's just a courtesy to you from the company. So, alright. I appreciate you all watching. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what's your favorite one. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.